Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action, Thursday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, but does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. A little tricky to talk about. I did this analysis yesterday. Why do I say it's tricky now? Well, there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. Meaning, if you were some sort of day trader or scalper and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, as far as the bigger picture point of view, I get it. Yeah, the price did pull back from its highs. But within the grand scheme of things, the price does still have the opportunity to build an overall higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over extended periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. And that is going to be the reference point that I'm talking about. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type, scalper perspective going into it. And for me, the level to watch going forward is going to be down here at 60 cents. Now, in no way am I saying the price is headed down to 60 cents, but just to illustrate my point, let's say it does. So let's say the price goes down to 60, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. What would you have from the big picture point of view? You'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very, very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, that progress point down there right around 60 cents. Again, I'm well aware if you're some sort of day trader flipper and you bought there or you bought there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about this stair step. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting on things from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, that today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in 1 day, looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build that overall higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.